What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video. You guys, I'm sorry. I just can't wait. You guys, I'm literally so excited. I cannot wait for y'all to see this design. You probably already saw it on the thumbnail or whatever, but you got to see it in action. This design is like, to me, it's legendary because I love the play that I did. In this video, we have Nail Reserve LA, Black Addict, and White Addict. Y'all know those are my go-to faves for black and white. You only need one coat. Flawless application, vegan, cruelty-free, etc., etc. You can always save 50% with my discount code. All that is on the About tab of my YouTube, so go check out all the discount codes and the straight links over to the website. And then we have Madam Glam Set in Stone. You guys saw me unbox that on a previous upload. Go check it out if you have not seen it. I swatched it out. I was a little on edge about it, but I decided that I really liked it, and oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So aside from that, we're using Touches of Gold, which I have in the mini from Madam Glam, one of my all-time favorites. Those are the Touches of Gold is one of those ones that I got back on the shelf, and I never let anyone know it's there. Like, I forget that it's there. And we also have our 3XL square tips. These are full coverage from Amazon. They are on my Amazon storefront, which you can always see on the About tab of my YouTube for the direct link, so you can go over there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add one coat. I love to do press-ons. If you guys don't know, I am gonna be selling press-ons. I haven't had anyone reach out to model press-ons for me yet, so it makes it a little tough. But if you would like to model some of my nails, let me know, and I would love to have you. But I like these tips in particular. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I was gonna say I like to let them sit on the nail stand once I've applied the polish so that it can self-level. That's how I'm able to basically get that flawless finish. Also, this Set in Stone, I went in with 2 coats because I really just wanted to have a little extra depth. So yeah, we did that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go over all of the other nails with this gold, Touches of Gold, so that it kind of complements and accentuates the touches of gold that are in the Set in Stone polish. I just love that I did that. I thought it was so unique and special. You guys, this video is pretty short, so bear with me. How's your guys' week been? Mine has been going by so fast. I got a little story time for you guys. I took my puppy to get groomed, and then the lady was kind of overwhelmed, and she's like, do you want to work? And I'm like, well, sure, I'll work. And so today I started doing like puppy bathing. I mean, dog bathing. I bathed like 6 or 7 dogs today in just a few hours, and it was definitely it was an experience. It was something I could get used to. It didn't really feel like work. It was nice to interact with all the different dogs. All right, so we went ahead and cured. Now we're all set. Now this design is super simple and easy. You guys are going to see that I'm drawing a yin yang for opposites attract. And it turned out really good. I was so proud of myself. I can't stop looking at them. I got it right here. I think I really did good. I don't think it was perfectly uniform as far as the white side versus the black side, but I didn't let that like discourage me, or I didn't obsess over it. I kind of was just like, oh, it's okay. They'll never know. They'll never know. So that's pretty much all for this set. They're all shiny. They're really cute. I mean, I really love them. I feel like anyone could create this look. It's super beginner friendly, and it doesn't feel like literally did not take long. Like, the footage of this video was only like 20 minutes long essentially, before I even edited it down. So it really did not take long. Probably the longest part was just waiting on the nails to cure. But I want you guys to drop comments and let me know how you like them, because I really like them. And were you guys impressed? So the Set in Stone has specks of black, specks of white, and then the specks of gold. I literally love, and then it does have like a greenish tone to it, but it's more or less like a grayish green. So it was like, I just cannot boast on myself enough with this design because I'm so proud of it, and it was so freaking easy. It was easy. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think, and I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the design. I'm gonna be back in another video. The next entry that I have to the Goddess Gang Nail Art Challenge theme 3 is I like it. It's definitely different than this set. It's definitely different than the other set. I don't know how you guys are gonna feel about it, but I'm really looking forward to hearing your comments. So be sure to let me know, and DM me on Instagram if you would like to be on panel, or if you want to participate, or if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe, like, ring the notification bell. Like I said, y'all, drop them comments down below. Say hi to Elton in the comments. He's over there saying hi to y'all. And I'm gonna let y'all hear some music while I finish up this design. Until next time, I'll holla y'all. Peace.